I guess my perspective on this would be, I think in 2020, 2021, people were talking a lot about lifetime value. And so I think it's important to break down like what lifetime value means. And what value you're measuring, right? So value, are you measuring revenue? Are you measuring profit? And lifetime, I don't believe infinity exists in the world, but lifetime, there is no lifetime in e-commerce. And so picking a window in time of how you're going to drive people back and measure that cohort to see if you're effectively recapturing their wallet share in a specific time frame according to the value that you've ascribed to that purchase. And so that's my perspective on lifetime value specifically. I'm a pretty big fan of getting to profit on your first order, not selling to get increased profits over time from the same customer. At least specifically right now in this era that we're selling in 2023. Two, I think that regarding like what Blair is up to with prep and fulfillment, I think a lot of people try to, I guess on the 3PL side specifically, you can actually create an experience and an unboxing experience that's really magical and really wow somebody. And so I personally like to go and buy tons of products on Amazon and do unboxing to see how I can learn from how they're unboxing and how they're increasing my satisfaction or of me like repurchasing from them over time. So I think there's a lot that can be happening on the physical side of things to actually get somebody to actually continue to buy and perpetually buy over time. And I don't know, Blair, if you have experience in that, but I would love to hear from you on what you've been doing on that side of things to help people increase their LTV.
Hey, it's Ankita Patil here. Before you leave, make sure to subscribe to SellerApp's main YouTube channel where we upload all things Amazon, expert tips, and some how-to guides that will make sure you're winning on Amazon. You will not get this anywhere else. Until the next time, happy selling.